Today I'm going to be installing this PanzerGlass screen protector on our Samsung Galaxy A54. In the box you'll get one screen protector, you'll get a nice big wet wipe, a nice microfiber cloth, and finally a huge dust sticker. This is excellent as it will be a lot easier to remove any dust particles on the screen. First of all, turn off your A54 so the screen won't light up during installation. Next up, grab your wet wipe and wipe the whole screen clean of any dust, debris or fingerprints. Now next up, grab your screen protector and remove the bottom protective layer. Do this face down so no dust gets stuck to it. Now line it up with the camera at the top of the A54, and when you're happy you can gently place the screen protector down. Once you're happy with the installation, you can remove the top protective layer from the screen protector. At this point you'll be able to see a perfectly installed screen protector if you followed the steps correctly. Once you've finished the installation, turn the phone back on and add your fingerprint with the screen protector installed. Overall, this screen protector is very nice. If you've enjoyed this video, remember to like and subscribe. And if you'd like to purchase this screen protector, check out the links in the description below.